Now Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Zuniga.
Here's a look at those travel conditions across the Cascades. And keep in mind, we've been talking about this with all the watches and warnings and things that have been issued by the National Weather Service. They are saying that the travel conditions are going to continue to worsen across the Cascades and maybe not even be passable as the system moves through into the weekend. Obviously, there is snow on the road and actively falling on the camera there at Willamette Pass. So keep this in mind if you're heading over that way. Here's a look out at Prineville Reservoir. We cannot even see the water. The clouds have moved in. There's snow on the ground, actively snowing in that area for a better part of the day. We are finally seeing some snow in the Lapine area. Earlier, there was a warm air mass over that part of Central Oregon, so we were mostly seeing rain. That has moved through, and we're now seeing that cold air move in as the system is moving through the Pacific Northwest, and now snow has fallen in Lapine as well. Here's a look at the current watches and warnings map in the state, and we are still in a winter storm warning, but what I want to draw your attention to is the fact that this has been extended for us. It is now until Saturday at 4 p.m. It was originally until tomorrow afternoon. So we are now in this winter weather warning until tomorrow because we are looking at the possibility of the next system also bringing us a very decent amount of snow, and that's coming in on Saturday morning. I'll show you that on the future track. Here's the current system. It has arrived. We're seeing snow in Central Oregon, mix on the west side of the Cascades, some rain and snow in the valley as well. Looking at those snow totals, definitely growing on us as this system is moving in. If you were with me last night, I was mentioning to you this low pressure center that moved in today. It is now in the process of moving and just sweeping below us through Friday. We do see a break. You'll see this on our future track before Saturday, and look what rolls in on Saturday. This nice trough of low pressure. This is the next opportunity to see some decent accumulation on our snow totals. With our future track, you see that we do have that break. There's the next system that it rolls in, and snow stays through the region all the way through Sunday. The next system after that. Here's how it looks within Central Oregon. I'll slow it down for you. Snow right now falling all the way across the region. We see this through the night tonight, starts to break up in a few areas, 10 o'clock. Now we're seeing the first break between the storms. It breaks up all the way through the early morning hours, stays fairly clear until we reach 8 o'clock. Here's the next round that moves in. Comes in, doesn't quite cover the region all the way. We're getting to 4 p.m. Things are still not there, backs up a bit, and then 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock Friday night, snow across all of Central Oregon and along the Cascades. We sit under this through the early morning hours. This is the next system that I was mentioning to you. It does break up into these isolated showers. That stays with us. Now we're at Saturday at 2 o'clock. More snow coming through. This is a system upon system upon system that will bring us snow totals into the 2-foot range along the Cascades, 4 inches just by 2 o'clock on Friday. But look, as we go through into Saturday, now we're looking up to a foot in several areas in Central Oregon. Temperature-wise, we mentioned it was going to be cold. Here we are with our current temperatures in the teens. Overnight tonight, we stay in those current temperatures and we drop even just a bit more. Tomorrow's temperatures do not warm up too much. In fact, they could be just as cool as today. Extended forecast. You will see this chance for snow. Each day does lighten up for us on Sunday. That takes us all the way through the weekend with the least chance for snow on Wednesday at 10%.